fire and ice. One island. Welcome to Iceland, a land shaped by volcanoes, glaciers, and legends. Here, nature leads the way. Long winters, warm hearts, a culture built on storytelling, music, and deep respect for the land. Chase waterfalls along the ring road. Stand on the black sands of Reynisfjara. Soak in geothermal hot springs. And if you're lucky, watch the northern lights dance across the sky. Every road feels endless, every view feels unreal. The world is more beautiful than we imagine. Subscribe and travel around the earth.